channel, and today we'll be setting up Qt Creator, and I'll be showing you how to install it. So first, go to Google and type Qt Creator download, and go to the first link. Now go here, download open source. Scroll to the bottom, and you'll see download Qt online installer. Now choose your operating system. For me, it's Windows. So if it's Mac, choose Mac, and if your operating system is Windows, choose Windows. For Linux, go with that. Now click on this button, and one file will download. So I've already installed it. So I'll just type Qt maintenance tool. Now you have to just sign up. I'll just show you what are the important things required. So you need a few things, right? First of all, you need Qt 6.5.3. This is the long-term support version, and I think it will be supported till 2026. So you're good to go. Then you need Qt Creator, then debugger support for debugging, like while like you don't need to do console log every time, right? Or you don't need to print every time you debug something. So for that you need this. Then you need MinJW, a compiler for compiling C++ code. You also need CMake and Ninja. You don't need OpenSSL. I needed it for some other project work, but you need CMake and Ninja for building tools, right? For building your project. So what you need is Qt 6.5, Qt Creator, the IDE for like working with Qt. You need a compiler called MinJW, and you need CMake and Ninja, which are the build tools for building your project, right? After you download all of this, you're good to go. Now, in the next lecture, I will like show you practical applications of working with Qt. I won't be going through the theory part because I think it's boring, right? And I'll just show you how to build stuff, and you learn a lot of concepts from that, right? So see you in the next.